Hi guys, Jamie and Sarah here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how giving money away can make you rich. We recently came across an article on entrepreneur.com and it showed two different families who were very identical in race, religion, politics, income, everything. But one of the families gave $100 more per year. And on average, that family earned $375 more per year.
We just thought that was a really fascinating idea that you could have one family actually make more money because they gave. So we thought we would share our thoughts on why we think that is, and we hope you'll find it interesting. So this video is a mindset video. It's all about just how you think about money and how giving will actually change that. We personally are Christians, which means we believe in tithing, which is giving 10% of your income away. Before you click away thinking this is a bunch of religious talk, we really believe giving will change your mindset towards money and in turn help you build wealth. The first way giving can change your mindset about money is that it teaches you to live below your means. Now there's a statistic on Forbes.com that says in 2020, 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, which is kind of crazy. But if you think about it, people have this consumer mindset. They say, okay, I make $4,000 a month, so I'm going to spend $4,000 a month because I have it. So they'll go buy a new car or they'll buy the newest electronic gadget. But if you have the discipline to give away 10% of your money, for example, that's going to teach you automatically to live on $3,600 a month instead of $4,000. So by giving that money away, you are practicing discipline and you're practicing living below your means without even realizing it. So what you're doing by giving away money is you are actually training your brain to go from the consumer mindset to more of a producer mindset.
The second way that giving can change your mindset towards money is that it teaches you to not hold on to it so tightly. This gives us an abundance attitude. So when you're willing to give money away, you're acknowledging that there is always more to be made. And that's kind of what our channel is all about, is just unique ways to make money outside of a 9-to-5. So when you loosen your grip on money, you start to realize that money is a tool and not just meant for security.
Instead of thinking about what you can buy with your money, you start thinking about how you can grow it and how you can use it to your advantage. So if you start to develop that, you're going to start thinking in a producer mindset, which is how can I grow this through investing or starting my own business?
As you guys know, becoming financially independent is really important to Jamie and I. Financial independence means that your passive income is greater than your monthly expenses. So you achieve that by increasing your income or decreasing your expenses.
So giving away money is really great practice in learning how to live below your means and save money. Because you gave that money away, you now have only what's remaining to live on. So you're disciplining yourself to live below your means. And then as we mentioned before, the other side of financial independence is increasing your income. So by changing your mindset to that producer mindset instead of the consumer, you realize that there's a lot of ways to make money out there. You can flip furniture, you could start a photography business. What else could they do? Buy a rental property. There's lots of ways to increase your income, and we hope that by watching this video you realize that giving away money is really a great mental exercise to start doing both of those things.
But you might ask, what if I don't have any money to give? What if there's nothing left over?
That's a great question. I would wager that you may have more than you think left over, or you may be able to shave off some of those expenses. But if you could even find $1 to put in the Salvation Army bucket when you walk by, that's really great practice to start learning to give money away and to then live on what's left. So I really think just even the smallest amount of giving can really make a big difference in your mindset and how you actually view money.
What's really cool about giving away money is that you actually gain more wealth, and in turn you can give away more money. So you can over time have a greater impact.
So just to recap, by giving away money, you're going to change your mindset about money, you're going to build wealth, and you're going to have a greater impact. So we think you should try it. It's pretty cool. Sarah's got a poem for you guys just to reinforce our point.
This is from Pilgrim's Progress, 1684.
Wow.
Okay. A man there was thou, some did count him mad. The more he cast away, the more he had. He that bestows his goods upon the poor shall have as much again and 10 times more. See you guys next time.
See ya. Bye.